Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to delete our Binance account. So let's get started. So if you want to delete your Binance account, then what you can do is just simply open up your Binance application. After opening up your Binance application, to delete your account, what you can do is just tap on this option, which you can find in the top left corner of your screen. You can find a Binance icon. So what you can do is just tap on it, and after tapping on that, it will take you to your profile. So after coming up to this profile section, what you can do is just tap on your profile photo, and after tapping on that, just tap on security. And after tapping on your security, now to delete your account, just scroll down, and after scrolling down, just tap on manage account, which is on the bottom of your screen. And then here you can find these two options. First one is for disable and second one is for delete. So we are trying to delete our account, so just tap on delete account and then select a reason why you would like to delete this account. Just tap on continue after selecting a reason, and then tap on accept and continue. And after doing that, now what you can do is in the bottom of your screen you can find this icon. You just have to check it, and after checking this option, just tap on delete account. And after tapping on delete account, you have to complete this two-step verification. So what you can do is just tap on authenticator app, and now what you can do is just install a authenticator app from Play Store. So I will recommend you to install this Google Authenticator. So what I'll do is just open up my Play Store and then search for Google Authenticator. So you can find this Google Authenticator app. What you can do is just simply install this application, and after installing your Google Authenticator, what you can do is just open it and then log in with the account which you have used to create a Binance account. So I have used this email address to create my Binance account, so I'll use that same email address to use this Authenticator app. And after logging in with this email address, what I'll do is you will receive a 6-digit code. What you have to do is just simply copy and paste that 6-digit code in Binance, or you can just enter it manually. So you have to enter this 6-digit code before this timer ends. In the right side of your screen you can find a timer. So you have to enter this 6-digit code before this timer ends. So after entering that code, here you can see I have successfully completed this process. Now what you can do is just tap on email address, and now you will receive a 6-digit code in your email address. What you can do is just enter that email address over here and then tap on submit. So I'll just open up my Gmail application, and here you can see I have received a 6-digit code from Binance. So what I'll do is just copy it and paste it over here, and after pasting it, just tap on submit and just complete this process, and here you can see account deleted. So that's it guys, this is how to delete your Binance account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.